How to create AI websites using Framer AI. First, open your web browser and go to framer.com. Then sign in with your Google account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click inside the Ask Framer box on the right. Next, enter a prompt describing the website you want to build. For example, type, "Create a modern portfolio website for a graphic designer with a homepage, about section, portfolio gallery, services, testimonials, and a contact page." After entering your prompt, click Generate Website. Framer AI will automatically create a complete website with layouts, text, images, and sections based on your description. Once your website is ready, review the design. Click on any text, image, or button to customize it. You can change colors, fonts, add new sections, upload your own images, and edit the content to match your brand. When you're happy with your website, click Publish. On the free plan, your site will be published on a Framer subdomain. If you want to use your own custom domain, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. That's it. You've successfully created an AI website using Framer AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials,